Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Black PS5 controller is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for any serious PlayStation 5 gamer, offering a sleek, sophisticated aesthetic that instantly elevates your gaming setup and provides a premium feel that the standard white controller just can't match, making it a must-have for those who appreciate both style and performance in their gaming peripherals. Number 5. NexiGo Enhanced PS5 Controller Charger with Thumb Grip Kit. Introducing the NexiGo charging station, designed for your PlayStation 5 controllers. It allows you to charge 2 controllers at once, getting them fully powered in about 3 hours. Our charging dock features an intelligent chip that safeguards your controllers. It protects against overcharging, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring their longevity. Easily monitor charging status with the built-in LED indicators. An orange light signifies charging, and it automatically turns off when your controllers are fully charged. This accessory kit improves control and reduces fatigue during long gaming sessions. Experience enhanced comfort, sensitivity, and precision with your controllers. Your purchase includes the charging dock, a power adapter, and 4 thumb grips. Everything you need to get started and enhance your gameplay. What we like. If you're tired of waiting for your controllers to charge, this is the solution. It offers fast, simultaneous charging for 2 controllers and built-in safeguards to protect your valuable DualSense. If you want to minimize downtime and maximize playtime, this charging dock is a must-have accessory. What people say. Controllers recharge quickly, and the glowing orange light is a clear and helpful indicator that they're charging. The build quality is excellent, it feels really solid and has enough weight that it stays put when I'm docking or removing a controller, which is a huge plus. No more sliding around. It's also fantastic for storage, keeping 2 controllers neatly organized when they're not in use. And with its intelligent charging, I know my controllers are only getting juiced up when they actually need it, which is great for battery longevity. Number 4. KontrolFreek Performance Grips for PS5 Controller. Elevate your gameplay with our advanced controller grips. Designed for PlayStation 5, they offer unparalleled control and comfort. Experience a 3-layer system that combines advanced materials for enhanced grip, support, and comfort during intense gaming sessions. The moisture-wicking top layer keeps your hands cool and dry, maximizing grip even during the most demanding gameplay. Enjoy the feel of dense memory foam that conforms to your palm, providing superior support and comfort the harder you play. Applying them is a breeze, and you can reposition or remove them without leaving any residue or damaging your controller. Choose from 3 stylish colors, Nightfall Black, Inferno Red, and Galaxy Purple to match your setup. What we like. For those who experience sweaty palms during intense gaming sessions, these grips are a game changer. The advanced materials ensure a secure hold and keep your hands cool and dry. If you're looking for enhanced comfort and a more reliable grip during long gaming marathons, consider these. What people say. The controller feels great in the hands, and the haptic feedback is incredibly immersive. The adaptive triggers add a new level of realism to gaming, making every action feel more impactful. Battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for several hours of intense gameplay on a single charge. Number 3. KontrolFreek FPS Freek Frenzy for PS5 and PS4. Dominate the competition with these performance thumbsticks. They are designed to dramatically upgrade your aim, precision, and movement in all your favorite FPS games. The high-rise thumbstick is perfect for your right analog. It's engineered to increase your accuracy and precision, giving you the edge you need. Improve your in-game movement with the mid-rise thumbstick. It's designed for the left analog, offering smoother and more responsive control. Experience superior control thanks to the new, improved proprietary rubber material. It provides extra grip and exceptional comfort during long gaming sessions. Trust in the best. These thumbsticks are made in the USA by the industry-leading brand in controller enhancement. What we like. If you're serious about improving your performance in first-person shooter games, these thumbsticks are for you. The combination of high-rise and mid-rise sticks offers unparalleled precision and control. If you want to gain a competitive edge and elevate your aiming accuracy, these are the perfect upgrade. What people say. Less stress on thumbs and more precise movements, increased response and results in game. They feel more comfortable and sit a little lower than my old right stick Galaxy, which actually gives me better control and precision. They feel great, add better grip, and make aiming smoother. The mix of one high-rise and one mid-rise works well for shooters. Number 2. PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller, Midnight Black. Feel the game like never before. Experience simulated in-game actions and environments with incredible haptic feedback. The adaptive triggers offer varying force and tension right at your fingertips. Connect with your friends online using the built-in microphone. You can also plug in your headset using the 3.5mm jack. Easily record and share your greatest gaming moments with the dedicated Create button. Hold a piece of gaming history in your hands. Enjoy an evolved design featuring an iconic layout and improved sticks for ultimate comfort. You'll also hear higher fidelity sound effects through the built-in speaker in supported titles. Stay connected effortlessly. Use the USB Type-C cable or Bluetooth technology to easily play on various devices, including your Windows PC and Mac. Take your PC gaming to the next level. Experience advanced features like haptic feedback and adaptive triggers in a wide range of popular PC titles. What we like. This is the standard for immersive gaming. Experience games like never before with tactile sensations and dynamic resistance. If you're looking for the most engaging and sensory-rich PlayStation experience, this controller is the definitive choice. What people say. The PS5 DualSense controller is comfortable, responsive, and makes games feel more immersive. The haptic feedback and adaptive triggers add realistic sensations that make gameplay more engaging. It works perfectly like any DualSense, but the look is what makes it special. The iridescent finish looks even better in person and shifts in the light. Battery life seems longer than others, and so far no stick drift. Number 1. PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller, Cosmic Red. Experience your games like never before. Feel every action and reaction with advanced haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that put you right in the middle of the excitement. Easily communicate with your teammates using the built-in microphone. You can also connect your favorite headset for clearer audio or capture and share your greatest gaming achievements with the dedicated Create button. Enjoy extended gaming sessions with its ergonomic design and familiar layout. Enhanced sticks provide precise control, while the integrated speaker delivers stunning audio in supported titles. This controller is designed for your PlayStation 5 and compatible with PCs. It offers seamless connectivity via USB Type-C or Bluetooth, allowing you to play on various devices including Windows PCs and Mac computers. Unlock the full potential of PC gaming with its advanced features. Experience the immersive haptic feedback and adaptive triggers in a wide array of popular PC titles. Stream your favorite games from your console to your PC or other devices using the PS Remote Play app. Enjoy the familiar feel and advanced features of this controller, no matter where you play. What we like. If you want all the cutting-edge features of the latest controller but with a splash of personal style, this is it. It offers the same incredible immersion and tactile feedback as the standard model, but in a striking color. If you appreciate both performance and aesthetics, this controller will not disappoint. What people say. The ergonomic design of the PS5 controller is a game-changer. It fits comfortably in my hands, allowing for hours of gameplay without any discomfort or strain. The textured grips offer excellent control, ensuring that the controller stays firmly in my hands even during intense gaming sessions. The well-placed buttons and triggers make every command feel intuitive and responsive, enhancing the overall immersion. One of the standout features of the PS5 controller is its haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. These technologies elevate the gaming experience to a whole new level. The haptic feedback provides a remarkable level of sensory immersion, making each action in the game world feel more realistic and engaging. The adaptive triggers, on the other hand, add a layer of depth to gameplay that I never knew I needed. The resistance they provide in different situations, such as drawing a bowstring or pressing the accelerator in a racing game, adds an extra dimension of realism and strategy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.